Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Microsoft Copilot Vision is a powerful new feature that gives Microsoft AI Assistant the ability to see and interpret what's on your screen. It's a significant leap forward in AI and represents a major shift from a text-based assistant to a truly multimodal companion. This review provides a hands-on look at its features and explores its practical use cases. Now, what is Copilot Vision? Copilot Vision is a core capability within Microsoft Copilot that uses advanced computer vision models to analyze visual content. Whether you are on a Windows PC, a mobile device, or using the Edge browser, Copilot Vision it can see your screen first, it can be given permission to view your active apps and browser windows, it can also analyze images. You can upload an image or use your device's camera to show Copilot something in the real world. You can also provide real-time guidance. It uses what it sees to provide contextual, step-by-step instruction. So, the key distinction is that Copilot Vision is a fully opt-in feature, giving you complete control over when and what it sees. Now let's see hands-on review and features of it. Using Copilot Vision feels like having a knowledgeable person looking over your shoulder, ready to help. The experience is primarily voice-driven, making the interaction feel natural and conversational. Let's start with enabling Vision. To get started on a Windows PC, you open the Copilot app and click on the eyeglasses icon. This prompts you to select the apps or windows you want to share with Copilot. You can also highlight. One of its most useful features is highlights. When you ask Copilot Vision to show me how,
I've highlighted the scale section in the transform panel on the right. You can adjust the values there to resize your cube. Give it a try.
it can visually guide you. A large pointer or box will appear on your screen, drawing your attention to the exact button or menu you need to click to complete a task. Also, we have multi-app awareness. While earlier versions were limited to viewing just 2 apps at a time, the latest update allows Copilot Vision to encompass complete desktop visibility across any browser or application window. This is a game changer for tasks that span multiple programs, desktop and mobile parity as well. The Vision feature is available on the desktop apps for Windows 10 and 11, the Edge browser, and the mobile apps for iOS and Android. On mobile, you can point your camera at something that is either a product, a document, a plant, etc., and ask questions about it, blurring the line between the digital and the physical worlds. Now, let's get to the practical use cases. Copilot Vision's ability to use and understand your screen opens up a wide range of practical applications for both personal and professional use. You can use it to learn new software. This is one of the most compelling use cases. Instead of a text-based tutorial, you can ask Copilot to show me how to do X in an app name, and it will guide you step by step. This is a huge benefit for learning complex software like Photoshop, this Blender, or a new project management tool. You can also use it to troubleshoot and IT support. Users can share a screenshot of an error message and ask Copilot for a solution. Copilot Vision can analyze the context, understand the problem, and provide a fix. Also, for data analysis, in a spreadsheet, you can ask Copilot Vision to find the trends in this data or create a chart based on this column. It will analyze the spreadsheet and generate a response based on its understanding of the visual data. Also, we have e-commerce and shopping. You can share a list of products on an e-commerce site and ask Copilot to find me the best option that has X feature and costs less than Y dollars. Copilot can analyze the page content and provide a recommendation. Also, we have content creation. In a writing app, you can ask Copilot to review your work and provide feedback on the tone or clarity of your writing. In a photo editor, you could ask for advice on improving the lighting or color balance of an image. Also, we have resume enhancement. Share your resume with Copilot and ask for advice on how to improve the design or wording. Now, this is my final verdict for it. Copilot Vision is a significant and transformative feature that pushes the boundaries of AI assistants. It's no longer about just asking questions, it's about a real time conversational partnership. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.